In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a slicer to filter data in Excel. So here we have our group of data. Now typically, if we wanted to filter the data, what we could do is select the headers and then add a filter here. Now if we wanted to filter by region, we could unselect that, select South America, hit OK, and filter like that. However, you can insert a slicer to your data that will actually make filtering your data a lot easier and more intuitive. So the first thing that we need to do is select within our data. Now we can hit Control T, or if we go up to the Insert ribbon, we can select Table. And this little pop-up box is going to appear, and Excel will kind of guesstimate where your data range is. And in this case, it guessed it correctly. And my data has headers, so I want to make sure that this is checked as well. So I'll go ahead and hit OK, and that's going to create a table for my data. And when you go up to the Table Design ribbon up at the top, you can play around with the design and make it look different, or you can format it how you'd like. But we'll just leave it like that. Now what we're going to want to do is insert a couple of rows above our table. You can do that by selecting the first row, right-clicking and hitting Insert, and just insert a couple of rows above. I'll just do 4. Now select within your data again, go up to Insert, go over to Filters and select Slicer. This will pop up asking you what you want your slicer or your filter to include. So in this case, we want to be able to sort by region, so we'll go ahead and hit Region and leave the rest of these blank. We'll go ahead and hit OK. This little menu will pop up. Now when we have the slicer selected, we want to go up to the slicer ribbon, and then in the columns, you want to remove that 1 and just put whatever amount you have. In this case, we have Europe, North America, and South America, so that will be 3, and we'll go ahead and hit Enter. Now we can bring this over and resize our slicer by clicking and dragging these little circles in the corners. And I'm just going to add one more row here, just so that fits a little bit better. And now we have our slicer here. When you select the slicer, you can also again change the formatting up at the slicer ribbon here and kind of play around with it. Now, when I select Europe, it will filter only Europe or South America or North America. If I control click, I can select multiple options within the slicer at the same time. And then control click that same one to remove it. And there I have my slicer that's going to help me filter data. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button before you go. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.